Take command of the road in the 2012 Ford Escape. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 3-liter 6-cylinder engine. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget. Like heated seats, leather upholstery, a trip computer, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, heated door mirrors, a roof rack, and air conditioning. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.